Hi, I'm Marie Sellett. I'm the branch manager of the Poe Library on Sullivan's Island, and today we're going to fold an origami lily like this one. So I'm going to pre-fold the paper. First in half as a triangle, and then in half both ways as a rectangle, because it's easier to pre-crease your paper. Now, a lot of times when you're working with origami, the color is on the outside. This time we're going to fold it in. So I do a triangle, fold it in half, and then open it up to form a diamond. Flip it over, open up the other side, and form a diamond. Open on the top. The trickiest part of this is estimating a third. So we're going to fold one side over and the other side over. And I fold the top to the center on both, and then I open it up and I'm going to do the same to the other side. Open that. Pre-creasing that. Open that up, squash it. Folding this edge to the middle of that part I just did on both sides, and then I'm opening that up and squashing it. Now I flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. First and thirds. And then I open this up and squash it flat. And bring each side down, each to the middle. And then I open that up and squash it. Same thing to the fourth side. Creasing it. Squashing it open, folding both sides to the middle, that up. And now I am folding this back on both sides. Flip it over and do the same thing, fold it back. Other side, fold it back. And now we curl the petals open on all 4 sides. You have a lily.